Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I am discussing about the HTML editors and also discuss about the HTML elements and their attributes, that how the attributes are used in the particular HTML text, like for image SRC is being used, then what are the significance behind using the attributes. So let's start the video. What is HTML editors? Basically the HTML editors are the editors or the text editor which is being used for writing the HTML documents, and it is being strongly recommended to learn an HTML. It is required that the notepad is best preferred to write the HTML documents. From that the beginners can learn about the tags used in the HTML. Web pages can be created and modified by using professional HTML editors, but to learn HTML, use a simple editor like Notepad is mostly recommended because it helps in learning HTML tags easily. HTML editors, mostly Notepad, should use at initial stage to learn HTML. Steps to run the HTML documents by using the Notepad as an editor. First of all, for Windows, we have to user should open the Notepad on computer system and write the HTML documents in the Notepad and save that HTML document which is constant of the basic syntax format of the particular HTML documents with the extension of .html or .htm, and then open file with any browser you want to open, like Chrome, Firefox, etc., because the HTML document is portable and it is not depend on any one browser, so it can be run on any browser. And for Mac user, open Mac Finder, then application, and then edit. Also change some preferences in the system preferences to get applications to save file correctly, and then open preferences and choose format, and then choose the plain text under open and save. Check the box that display HTML file as HTML code instead of formatting text. Then open a new document to place the code, and after that the process is similar to the Windows, like save the particular file with the .html or .html and then run with the particular browser. What is HTML elements? Basically the HTML elements defined by the start tag, then some content and end tag. Like this, for example, the tag name inside which the some content and then the closing tag of that particular element. Some HTML elements have no content. These elements are called empty element. It does not contain an end tag, like BR tag for line break of the particular content. And HTML tags or elements are not case sensitive, means that capital P is similar to the small p for using the paragraph in the particular content, but in practice it is recommended to write text in lowercase. HTML consists of numerous number of elements, like for paragraph P, for hyperlink anchor tag is used with the attribute of href and describe the particular link destination, and if you want to write some content on it, then write some content and then closing the anchor tag. This is the example of HTML elements, and HTML element is basically used to define the use of particular tag in the HTML documents. What is HTML attributes? Basically, HTML attributes provides additional information about HTML elements. All HTML elements can contain an attributes. Attributes are always specified in a start tag. Attributes always come in name value pair, like for anchor tag, if you use href is equals to link, in which the particular link is defined, like for example, if you want to define the link of the Google, then https colon slash slash www.google.com, and write the content name, and here the href is name and link is value, that is www.google.com is the value of that particular attributes. Sometimes we have to use quotes in between the attributes so that content display correctly. Attribute date used in different situations like for hyperlink href, for image related src, alt, for writing some message instead of image, width and height of image. Style attribute is to style the image boundary, border, margin, etc. Lang attribute is used to define the language of HTML documents. So these are the some basic HTML attributes which are being used by the particular developer while writing the HTML documents. HTML headings. Basically, HTML headings is used to define the heading of HTML documents. HTML heading is listed from H1 to H6, where H1 is used to display heading which is most important, and H6 is used to display content which is least important. But it is important to use headings to show only the document structure. For better developer, it should be noted that the heading should not be used for making the text bold or text bold. So it is being recommended that it is only used for making the heading of the web page. A size of HTML heading is fixed, but we can use font size property of CSS to style the font of heading. This is basic example of use of HTML attributes and elements. So this is basically the doc type HTML which define that the particular document is in the HTML5 format, and this is the root element of the HTML document which define that the particular document is present in the HTML format, and head tag which is used to define the title of the particular content or particular documents, like a title which is used to define the browser title window, and the main body section is being coming in which the old tags is being used, like for anchor tag or for link, the heading, all that aspects are come in the body. So in this, the h1 is used to define the content, and for line breaking we have used the empty tag, that is br tag, and after that we have used the image tag to define the image on the particular web browser. When in the src, this is used to define the source destination of particular image, so that the particular html documents can easily find out the image and plot that image. And the width and height we have used to define that what are the size we have to given the particular image that should be displayed on the particular web page. This is being used to define that, and after that the closing of body tag and the html tag is being done to define the particular html documents. Thank you so much. If you like the video, please like, subscribe and share, and stay tuned for further videos. Thank you very much.